Hey traders, welcome back to ASHAFX, your to-go channel for mastering Forex the smart way. In today's video, I'm showing you simple tools you need to start trading Forex, even if what you have is your phone. If you're just getting started or thinking about it, this video will guide you step by step. First, let's talk about your device. You can start trading with just a smartphone. That's all you need in the beginning. However, with a laptop or desktop, you can analyze better. What really matters is a stable internet connection, because Forex moves in real time. Delays can cost you so much. If you've got a phone and data or Wi-Fi, you are good to go. Now let's talk about apps and software you need to start trading. Firstly, you need MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, but I highly recommend MetaTrader 5 because it's more advanced and it's simple to use. MetaTrader 5 is the platform where you will place your trades. Secondly, you need a TradingView. TradingView is the platform where we analyze market. It's better for trend lines, market structure, support resistance, and it's more cleaner and more flexible. Thirdly, you need economic calendar. Use sites like forexfactory.com or fxverify.com. That's where you'll track news events. Fundamental can move dramatically, so you need to be aware of that. Now let's talk about a broker. You need a reliable broker, so always when you choose a broker, go for international brokers. Avoid using local brokers. And when you start trading, please start with a demo account for at least 3 months, so that you can be confident enough and start trading live. So I said use international brokers. By international brokers, I mean like use ECN brokers. That's everything you need to start your trading journey. Keep it simple, stay focused, and avoid distractions. If you've got a value from this video, drop a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comment what you would like me to break down in the next video.